everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealership since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a stunning, man, and this car has all the eyeball in the world. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop, complete frame-off restoration, and killer car, guys, man. This car has got it. It's got the look. Georgia car, I believe it's out of Georgia. Love the color combination. Onyx black. It's got the two-tone black and red interior. One of those cars that I'm telling you, you got to come here and drive to appreciate it. Car just drives outstanding. 18 and 20 inch chrome American Racing torque thrust all the way around it, loaded with options. Small block 350, four-wheel disc brakes, air, power rack and pinion steering, power windows. I mean, you name it. This is 700 R4 automatic overdrive trans. And that car's got, I mean, it's just got the look, man. Nice and flat. I mean, it is just a pretty car. Looks like they've replaced most of the chrome. You can kind of pick it, little Chevrolet on the gold starting to come off of it. Sorry, some dust, guys. Can't help it, man. It's so dusty out here right now. Pretty car right there. It's got power windows. We do have to fix this window here. I think I know the switch in the back actually has kind of come apart, so we'll take care of it. We'll make sure it gets fixed. It's got the dual antenna back here. I saw a couple little blemishes you can kind of pick at in the paint. It's like any of them. You can always find something somewhere. It's still very, very nice. Look how nice this thing is down the sides. Sits good. Again, cannot say enough about how it drives. It hits the road great. Just as nice underneath. I mean, put mirrors underneath it and take it to a show. Again, four-wheel disc brakes, slotted and drilled rotors. Look how flat that thing is. I mean, there's not a ripple in those sides. 350 Chevy, Edelbrock 4-barrel, polished intake. Again, it's got a power rack and pinion steering, ceramic headers. It's got, I should be holding that back to check the guys on that. I'm not sure about that. Might have to replace that hose. That hose might be too big or something or in the way. Power four-wheel disc brakes. It's got aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Again, it does have air. Air blows cold. 700 R4 automatic trans. I'm trying to think of everything on this thing. Like I say, it's just as nice on the bottom as it is on the top. Pretty car. See the, they put chrome's nice. Chrome mirrors are new. This stuff looks all new. New door handles. Door seams are nice and clean. Love the two-tone interior. Again, it's got power windows. Stock bench seat. It's got a Lokar shifter, tilt column with a classic wheel. Headliner looks great. Oh, you know what I didn't show you the door jamb. They just actually, that's a brand new Dakota VHX gauge cluster in it. Billet pedal. It's got a Retrosounds radio. Clock works. It's got a real nice sounding X-pipe Magnaflow dual exhaust system on it. I think this has got 3.5 stock rear with the 3.55 limited slip. It's got a rear sway bar, which is one of the reasons why it drives so nice. It's nice and tight rolling down the road, I'll tell you that. They finished the trunk area. What a pretty car. Look at this thing underneath, man. Nice, nice car. Killer color combo. I've got the new mats on the way for it. Finally found somebody who's got them in stock. You got a little zip tie around there too. I'll have to check. Oh, I bet you they had the keys zip tied on here. Getting a little clock works. Thing just runs and drives just as sweet as can be too. You can see it gets its R's quick. I mean, did you flip the air on, Nathan? I don't have it on. I think it's on. No, it's not on. I'll have to check it. I know it works. We had it on. Well, that's a pretty car right there, man. It's got the look. Yeah, it's that gauge cluster is only showing 75 miles. Like they said, there's probably 3,000-4,000 miles actually on the car. They just put that. It's got the kick panel speakers in it, power windows, LED lights back here. Backup lights work. Great sound. Radio works. It's got electric wipers. What a cool car, man. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram or our Facebook page, TikTok. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page here. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Look at that car. Doggone it, that thing is pretty. Thing's got some pretty paint on it too. Come on. Sometimes black will do that. Sorry guys. Have a great day, guys. Oh, there it goes.